Hello Hot Wheels cars. Today I'm going to show you the newest cars that I'm going to show you. So these are the 8 new cars that I'm going to show you. So the first car I'm going to show you is the Twin Mill Gen E. So this is a new generation of twin mill, and it's actually 100% electric car. This twin mill Gen E is twin mill generation electric. This twin mill is the first ever electric twin mill that I've ever seen. He's sleek and aerodynamic, and I really like his turquoise color, which is pretty nice. He is a new model of 2019, which is amazing. The second car that has a booster, this car that will take you on the moon. Guys, meet the Rocketfire. It has number 2 on the side, and on the hood it has written Rover. It doesn't look like a rover to me, but if it's written Rover, I think I like the Rocketfire nicknamed Rover, which is nice. It's more like a sports car with a rocket booster. I really like the body design and the rocket booster that can go zoom and go on the moon. I really like this car. Also, it has a blue engine, which is nice. Alright, the third car, the 2019 new model, same as twin mill, we have the Electro Silhouette. The Electro Silhouette is actually electric, same as twin mill. It has a working splitter that can go up and down, same as GT Scorcher. It has a steering wheel, a single seat. It has some 2 electric exhausts or spoilers. I don't know what are these, but I believe these are going to be taillights, I think. It has a clear side, as you can see. It has some black wheels, which is nice. I like the white belly, it has a Hot Wheels logo, which is nice. It has number 5 and ES. Oh yeah, that stands for Electro Silhouette. Nice. ES for short, yeah. It has some blue stripes, black stripes, and white stripes with the yellow livery, which is nice. It's amazing. All right, the fourth car, which is a bus. This is a 2021 new model. This is called the Ain't Fair. Hot Wheels Metro Bus 52. It has a nice little bike on the front. I wonder, this bus is fully transparent. Some windows. You know, it's highly detailed bus. Yeah. The exhaust is on the top, and there's an engine on the rear, which is actually exposed. It has some taillights, blinkers too. Yeah, there are some headlights here. It has some windshield wipers. I really like this bus. It has some turbine engines too. I really like this bus. Alright. The fifth car I'm going to show you is the Ford Mustang Funny Car. Yeah, it is amazing muscle car. I really like the white stripes orange and red flames. It has a written Hot Wheels on the side. Actually, it's a drag race car. Yeah, but I spotted one error. And you know what? Is this one. Yeah. I don't know why is it written mirror, but it says Sleeve Tall. Yeah, Sleeve Tall reverse on Hot Wheels, which is opposite. Nice. Well, it's a very nice car, but I don't mind about the mistake. It's not a single error or something. Yeah. All right, the sixth car that I'm going to show you is the Flash Drive. Mostly on this car, it has a skeleton, the yellow things over here. Yeah, or it's like a cage or a skeleton. Maybe it's actually exposed skeleton on flash drive. The best part about flash drive, it has a splitter and a spoiler that can move down and up, down and up. Yeah, it has some two working features, which is amazing. Yeah, it is actually a new model of 2017 from Hot Wheels Racing Legends, I think. It has a number 6 Hot Wheels logo, blue. Yeah, I really like this car. Is it rolling? Yeah, it rolls. Yeah. It works on an orange track. And there's my favorite part. Meet the 7th car. This is a food truck. This is the Buns of Steel. So, actually, I want to tell you, this is the best fantasy food truck in the world. It has a burger on the trunk, it has some fries on the top of the roof. It, it is amazing. Even the exhausts are so big, just like his wheels. Vroom, vroom. Yeah, I really like the orange livery, which is pretty nice. You know what? This is the best fantasy Hot Wheels car in the world. Yeah, it's actually a 2018 new model, which is kind of amazing. Yeah, it is amazing. Yeah, this is the best food truck I ever seen. Yeah. All right, the eighth car that I'm going to see is the Exotic. Fear of the sun. Yup, this is the car that breaks the wind and breaks the ultraviolet light. This is the sun killer. Yeah, actually, this car is a sports legend. The greatest vehicle that I ever seen. It has a red stripe and gray stripes. Nothing on the side. It has some red line rims. Actually, this is a exclusive color. It is actually a 2018 new model, just like Buns of Steel. Okay, so that's all the cars that I've showed you. So, thanks for watching, and goodbye, and subscribe for more videos. Take it away, boys! Fear of the sun.